You're listening to No Weather Radio on a frequency of 162.400 MHz. This is the National Weather Service in Boulder. This channel serves the Denver area. Happy Easter from the National Weather Service. This channel serves the Denver and Front Range portions of Colorado. Now for the The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 21, effective until 9 a.m. tomorrow. This includes the following counties in Colorado: Weld, Larimer, Logan, Jackson, Adams, Phillips, Sedgwick; in Wyoming, Albany, Laramie, Platte, Goshen; and in Nebraska, Perkins, Keith, Duell, Kimball, Banner, Cheyenne, Garden, Chase, and Dundon. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Clusters of strong to severe thunderstorms will likely develop rapidly across the Front Range region this afternoon. Scattered damaging winds are likely, and a couple tornadic storms will be possible. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. The National Weather Service in Boulder has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following locations: Denver, Glendale, Boulder, Douglas, Jefferson, Clear Creek, Adams, Arapahoe. Until 5 p.m. this evening. At 2:30 p.m. Doppler radar indicated a severe storm in the Boulder-Clear Creek area, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 43 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building, away from windows and doors. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Remember, turn around, don't drown. The National Weather Service in Boulder has issued a tornado warning for Denver, Glendale, Adams, until 4:16 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe storm capable of producing a tornado 21 miles west of Denver, moving east at 24 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous storm. Seek shelter now. Hazard: potential tornado occurring shortly. 54 miles per hour wind gusts and dime-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm should remain over the south rural areas of South Denver and South Adams counties. To repeat, a tornado is likely to be on the ground shortly. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado emergency for Denver. The National Weather Service in Boulder has issued a tornado warning for western and southwestern Denver, downtown Denver, western and northwestern Arapahoe County, until 3:30 p.m. At around 3 p.m., a large and potentially deadly tornado was spotted traveling towards the Denver metro area. Hazard: damaging tornado and golf ball-size hail. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. This tornado is likely causing EF4 to EF5 damage. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This message does not replace the prior tornado warning. Once again, this is a tornado emergency. Take cover now.